In the world of personality types, Sigma males have gained significant attention in recent years. Sigma males are often referred to as a hybrid of alpha and introverted personality traits. They are independent, mysterious, and prefer to stay out of the limelight. Sigma males can be difficult to understand and can often come off as aloof or distant. However, while some people may find Sigma males intriguing, there are others who simply can't stand them. In this video, we'll take a look at 6 big reasons why some people hate Sigma males. Number 1. Sigma males can be intimidating. Sigma males, with their independent and self-sufficient nature, can often come across as intimidating to others. They may not fit into traditional social hierarchies and can be perceived as distant or arrogant, which can create a sense of distance between them and those around them. One reason why Sigma males can be intimidating is their self-assuredness. They are often confident in their abilities and decisions, which can be seen as intimidating to those who are unsure of themselves. Sigma males don't seek approval or validation from others and are comfortable with who they are, which can be threatening to those who place a high value on social acceptance. Another factor that contributes to their intimidating nature is their independence. Sigma males are often comfortable being alone and don't rely on others for validation or support. This can make them appear self-sufficient and capable, but can also create a sense of distance or detachment from others. Their lack of reliance on others can be seen as intimidating to those who value social connections and relationships. Sigma males may also be intimidating because they challenge traditional social norms and expectations. They may question authority or challenge the status quo, which can be seen as a threat to those who are invested in maintaining the existing power structures. Sigma males may also prioritize their own goals and values over social approval or acceptance. Number 2. Sigma males can be hard to read. Sigma males can often be hard to read due to their independent and enigmatic nature. They may not communicate their thoughts and feelings in the same way as others, which can create a sense of mystery around them. Sigma males tend to value solitude and may not seek out social interactions, which can make it difficult for others to get to know them on a deeper level. Another reason why Sigma males can be hard to read is their ability to blend in with different social groups. They are not necessarily outcasts or loners, but rather individuals who are comfortable operating independently within a group dynamic. Sigma males may also be hard to read because they prioritize their own goals and values over social interactions. They may not feel the need to explain their actions or decisions to others, which can create a sense of distance or detachment from those around them. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that Sigma males are unapproachable or unfriendly. It simply means that they operate in a way that may be different from others. Number 3. Sigma males don't follow social norms. Sigma males are known for their tendency to reject social norms and expectations. They often march to the beat of their own drum and don't feel the need to conform to traditional social hierarchies or expectations. One reason why Sigma males don't follow social norms is their desire for independence. They value their own autonomy and may not want to be tied down by the expectations of others. Sigma males prioritize their own goals and values over social approval or acceptance, which can be seen as selfish or uncaring by those who value social connections and relationships. Sigma males are often critical thinkers who don't take things at face value. They may challenge traditional beliefs or power structures, which can be seen as threatening to those invested in maintaining the status quo. In some cases, Sigma males may also reject social norms as a way of carving out their own unique identity. They may not fit neatly into traditional gender roles or societal expectations, and instead choose to define themselves on their own terms. Number 4. Sigma males can be unpredictable. Sigma males are often known for their unpredictable nature, which can make them difficult to understand or predict. They may not follow traditional social patterns or routines, which can make it challenging to anticipate their behavior or actions. One reason why Sigma males can be unpredictable is their independence. They don't rely on others for validation or support, which means they may not feel compelled to follow traditional patterns of behavior or social norms. Another factor that contributes to their unpredictable nature is their tendency to be introverted. Sigma males may not communicate their thoughts and feelings in the same way as others, which can make it difficult for those around them to understand their motivations or intentions. In some cases, Sigma males may also be unpredictable due to their willingness to take risks. They may be more willing to take chances or try new things, which can create a sense of uncertainty or unpredictability in their actions. Number 5. Sigma males can be emotionally detached. Sigma males are often perceived as emotionally detached due to their independent and analytical nature. They may prioritize logic and reason over emotions, which can create a sense of distance or detachment in their relationships with others. One reason why Sigma males can be emotionally detached is their desire for independence. They value their own autonomy and may not want to be tied down by emotional attachments or obligations. They may view emotions as a distraction from their goals or as a potential source of vulnerability, and therefore choose to keep their emotions in check. Another factor that contributes to their emotional detachment is their tendency to be introverted. Sigma males may not communicate their thoughts and feelings in the same way as others, which can create a sense of distance or lack of emotional connection in their relationships. In some cases, Sigma males may also be emotionally detached as a way of protecting themselves from emotional harm or disappointment. They may have experienced negative emotions in the past and therefore choose to keep their emotions in check as a form of self-protection. While this may create challenges in forming emotional connections with them, it's important to approach Sigma males with an open mind and without preconceived notions. Number 6. Sigma males can be perceived as arrogant. Sigma males can sometimes come across as arrogant due to their confident and independent nature. They often prioritize their own goals and beliefs over social norms or expectations, which can create a sense of superiority or self-importance in their demeanor. One reason why Sigma males can be perceived as arrogant is their self-confidence. They believe in their own abilities and are not afraid to express their opinions or take charge of a situation. This confidence can be misinterpreted as arrogance by those who are not accustomed to their straightforward and assertive style. Another factor that contributes to their perceived arrogance is their tendency to question authority. Sigma males are often critical thinkers who don't accept things at face value. They may challenge traditional beliefs or power structures, which can be seen as a threat to those invested in maintaining the status quo. In some cases, Sigma males may also be perceived as arrogant due to their introverted tendencies. They may be hesitant to engage in social interactions or small talk, which can create a sense of aloofness or superiority in their demeanor. While this may create challenges in social situations, it's important to approach Sigma males with an open mind and without preconceived notions. Sigma males are a unique and intriguing personality type, but they can also be polarizing. Some people find their independence and confidence refreshing, while others find their aloofness and unpredictability frustrating. Ultimately, it's up to each individual to decide whether or not they appreciate the Sigma male personality type. However, understanding the reasons why some people may dislike Sigma males can help foster greater empathy and understanding between different personality types.